So, one area that I really wanted to tackle organization wise was under my kitchen sink. I have a lot of products under there and they've just been kind of sprawled around. So, I wanted to get something that would help me organize all of that. So, I found this 2 pack of under the sink organizers and I decided to get them to give them a try. They're pretty much completely made of plastic, but I still felt that they were pretty durable. I'm going to show you guys how I assembled them completely by myself, super simple to put together, and then how much I was able to actually fit on just one of these organizers here underneath my kitchen sink. So like I said, we really needed to get the space under the kitchen sink organized. This set comes with 2 organizers, and it comes with everything that you need to put them together. There are no tools required. It's simple. You just put the legs in the holes and line everything up appropriately, and then all you have to do is put some little caps on, and then you also install the hooks and it's done. So I was able to do this completely on my own, no help from my husband, which was a plus. You do need to be careful when installing these little caps because they do go on a certain way. If you don't put them on correctly, then they'll get stuck on there and they won't be positioned right. So make sure that you line everything up when you are putting the caps on. It does come with these little hooks that you can just hang on either side of the organizer. These are great for hanging brushes or little dish towels, anything like that. There are 4 hooks in total. I haven't decided what I want to hang on mine just yet, but they do seem to clip on there very easily and they're very sturdy. I was only able to fit one of these organizers underneath my kitchen sink because of the garbage disposal, but still I am able to pack a lot into this organizer. I was able to fit 2 rolls of garbage bags right there on the top, along with my disinfectant wipes, and then the bottom shelf held so many of my smaller cleaners. So I was really impressed with how much this organizer actually held, and it kept everything in a nice little compact space, so that way stuff wasn't just falling out all over underneath my sink. We did end up using the other one underneath one of our bathroom sinks, and we plan to buy some more for the rest of the bathroom sinks just because these organizers are so handy.